Hello everybody. Today we are going to learn the next point from the halogen derivative, that is nomenclature of halogen derivatives. As we know very well, there are two name systems. First, common name, and second, IUPAC name. In case of the common name and the IUPAC name, as already previously studied in 11th class, the rules and regulations we have to use in order to give the nomenclature of halogen derivatives. While studying the common name as well as the IUPAC name, for common name system, we have to use N stands for normal, iso, neo, secondary, that is nothing but the sec, and tertiary. In case of an open chain compound, that is nothing but in case of an alkyl halide. In case of an alkyl halide. While in case of the aromatic compound, we have to use ortho, para, meta with respect to the given functional group. First of all, see the first point, that is nothing but point A, the nomenclature of haloalkane or alkyl halide. Nomenclature of haloalkane, or it is also called as alkyl halide, which are denoted by means of an RX. What is this? R is nothing but alkyl group. It may be ethyl, it may be propyl, butyl, pentyl, hexyl straight chain. It may be branch one. It may be branch one in the form of iso as well as in the form of neo. It may be secondary or it may be tertiary. On the basis of the nomenclature given to alkyl halide, in case of the common name system, the word alkyl which is followed by means of an halide, and therefore in case of the common name system, the name of compound is alkyl halide. While in IUPAC name system, the nomenclature is in the form of alkane. Now see one by one how is it so, or how is it possible to give the nomenclature for the different alkyl halides. For example, if you take the example like that of, for example, if you take CH3, CH2, Br. The common name in case of CH3, CH2, Br is alkyl, that is nothing but the ethyl, which is followed by the word halide, that is nothing but the bromide, and that's why the common name of a CH3, CH2, Br is ethyl bromide. Instead of that, if you take another example, that is nothing but CH3, CH3. Here there is a bifurcation, that is nothing but the bromo. group which is present at the carbon number second. That time the resultant group, this group is nothing but iso group. This group is nothing but iso group, and that's why isopropyl bromide. The common name that is nothing but isopropyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide. Instead of that, if you take another example, that is nothing but CHO3, CH2Br. CH2Br. The name of that particular compound, that is nothing but, this is nothing but a NEO group. This is nothing but a NEO. How many numbers of carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Therefore, neopentyl bromide. The nomenclature, that is nothing but a neopentyl bromide. Nomenclature, that is nothing but the neopentyl bromide. If you take a long chain, instead of a ethyl, if you take pentyl, propyl, butyl, that means more than 3 carbon. That time you have to denote it by means of N-pentyl, N-butyl, N-hexyl bromide, like that. That is nothing but the normal. In case of an iso, suppose this is nothing but the group, like that group is present, that means the bifurcation of the attachment of the functional group of the carbon which is taking place at the carbon number second. That time the resultant group obtained, that is nothing but such a group is called iso group. In case of this, the branching at the carbon number second in the both way, that means in the upward direction as well as in the downward direction, with the two another carbon atoms they are attached. That time the resultant group obtained, that is called neo. On the basis of that, it is called normal, it is iso, and this is nothing but the neo. This is nothing but neo. On the basis of that, what happened? It is possible to classify, or it is possible to give the name to that particular compound, that is nothing but ethyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, as well as a neopentyl bromide. Isopropyl as well as a neopentyl bromide. Isopropyl bromide as well as a neopentyl bromide. Instead of that, if you take under consideration, that is nothing but CHO3, Cl. The name of that particular organic compound is nothing but a tertiary butyl chloride. The name of compound is nothing but a tertiary butyl chloride. Why? Because the functional group, that is nothing but the Cl, which is attached to that carbon which is already tertiary in the nature. That means 3 degree. Why? Because this carbon which is attached to the another 3 carbon atom, and that's why it is a tertiary of the 3 degree, and that's why the resultant compound obtained, that is called tertiary butyl chloride. Like that, the tertiary butyl chloride is there. Instead of that, if you take under consideration the carbon-carbon double bond, that means belongs to the alkene. Carbon-carbon triple bond belongs to that of the alkyne. That time, the name of the compounds, they are as like, if you take CH2 double bond CHCl, the common name in case of that particular compound is nothing but the common name of compound, that is nothing but the vinyl. This is nothing but the vinyl group. Why? Because the halide which is attached to that carbon is directly linked to the carbon-carbon double bond, and that's why the functional group, that is nothing but the vinyl. Therefore, the common name in case of CH2 double bond CHCl is nothing but the vinyl chloride. Instead of that, if you write CH2 double bond CH2Cl. What is the name of this compound? This is nothing but the CH2, CHCl, to which the Cl group which is attached. That group is nothing but allyl. That group is nothing but allyl. Therefore, it is nothing but a simply allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Why? Because the carbon to which the halogen group which is attached, that group is nothing but allyl. Why? Because the halogen which is attached to that carbon which is next to carbon double bond, next to carbon double bond, and that's why it is nothing but allyl chloride, or it may be, if you have to replace the Cl by means of the Br, that time it may be allyl bromide. Instead of that, if you take the another example, that is nothing but the carbon triple bond, to which the any halogen which is get attached, that time the resultant compound is like that, CH triple bond CCl. For example, if you take the basic acetylene, CH triple bond C, the H get replaced by means of the Cl, that time the resultant compound obtained. What is this? This is nothing but the group CH triple bond C, that is nothing but acetylene. Acetylene belongs to the alkyne, and that's why the name of a compound, that is nothing but chloroacetylene. CHLORO, chloroacetylene is there. And that's why the common name in case of the alkyl halide or RX. R stands for the any alkyl group, X stands for the any halide group. If you have to write the straight chain, that time it is a normal one, that is nothing but bromoethane, bromopropane, bromopentane, bromohexane like. If the carbon is more than 3, that time it is a N bromo. That means N propyl, N butyl, N pentyl, like that. If the branching taking place at the carbon number 7, that time it is iso. Why is it so? Because this group is nothing but the iso group. If the branching taking place at the carbon 7 in upward as well as in downward direction, that means the 2 carbon. That time, that particular group which is nothing but the NEO one. That means the branching is as like this, containing the 3 continuous carbon atom. If there is a branching, that time this is nothing but the iso group. In case of the NEO group, what happened? The branching is as like to that of. This is nothing but the NEO group. This is nothing but the NEO group. And in normal, that is nothing but the straight chain. That means such a type of the function group already present. 1, 2, 3. Here 1, 2, 3, and the remaining 2. That means NEO condition which is possible in case of the carbon. Having carbon atom, how many? 5 carbon atoms. In case of an iso, it is 3 carbon. For the NEO, the straight chain, whatever it may be number. In case of the secondary and tertiary, if you take under consideration the secondary as well as the tertiary, in case of the secondary as well as the tertiary, the carbon number equal to 4. That means for iso 3 carbon, secondary and tertiary 4 carbon atom, and for NEO form 5 carbon atoms. In this way, it is possible to write the common name for the compound like that of normal iso NEO, as well as carry carbon double bond, carbon triple bond. Even though in that particular compound we have to name such type of the compound on the basis of what? Alkyl halide, ethyl bromide, isopropyl bromide, neopentyl bromide, tertiary butyl chloride, vinyl chloride. Why? Because vinyl group is there. Allyl chloride as well as the chloroacetylene. These are nothing but the things they are associated with the common name of a alkyl. Then what's about their IUPAC name system or the IUPAC name system of that particular compound? Now before going to learn the IUPAC name system, it is necessary to take another two examples which carry two halogen atoms. They are attached to the adjacent carbon as well as the same carbon. Adjacent as well as the same carbon. On the basis of that, it is necessary to write the nomenclature as well as the correct name in case of the dihaloalkane. For example, if you take dihaloalkane like that, the dihaloalkane like that. CH3, CH2, Cl is there, and second one that is nothing but CH3, CH2, Cl, H. Okay. Here in this type of a structure, dihalo, that means the dichloro group is there. Two chlorine atoms, they are attached to the adjacent carbon atom. In case of this example, CH3, CH2, Cl, that means two chlorine attached to the same carbon atom. That means this is nothing but the vicinal. Why? Because the two halogen atoms, they are present on adjacent carbon atom. In case number second, the two halogen atoms, they are present on the same, and that's why that is nothing but the geminal. In case of the geminal, the common name for that is nothing but alkylidene. And in case of this, that is nothing but alkylene dye. Alkylidene and alkylene dye. With the help of that, it is possible to give the name to that particular compound, and that's why the name of that particular compound, that is nothing but, if you take under consideration CH3, CH2Cl, the name of that particular compound is nothing but propylene dichloride. And second, that is nothing but propylene dichloride. First, that is nothing but propylene. Why? Because the parent alkane, that is nothing but the propylene dichloride. Two chlorine atom dichloride, propylene dichloride. In case of Western. What's about in geminal? The parent alkane, that is nothing but propane, as it carries the carbon 1, 2 and 3, and that's why this propane. But it is nothing but the propylidene chloride. That means if the two halogen atoms, they are present in case of an alkyl halide, that time the nomenclature is like that. Propylene dichloride in case of an Vesena, propylidene in case of an geminal. It is possible to write the common name in case of an alkyl halide. What's about their IUPAC name? If you take under consideration CH3, CH2Br, what is the rule for the IUPAC name system? Select the longest continuous chain which carry the functional group. Memory should start from that particular end which is nearest to that. The rules and regulations already studied in the 11th class. We have to use in order to give the name to that particular IUPAC name system. In case of an IUPAC name system, we have to write the name of such a type of the compound as haloalkane. Means Bromo. And that's why the name bromo. The alkane, that is nothing but as it carries the 2 carbon atom, it is ethane. And therefore, the name of that particular compound is nothing but bromoethane. Bromoethane. As it is present or attached to the first carbon atom, it is not necessary to write the first one, and that's why bromoethane, that is nothing but the IUPAC name system. IUPAC name of that particular compound. What's about the second? Numbering should start from that particular end, which is nearest to that of the functional group. From either side, this or that, the bromine attached to carbon, which carry carbon 1, 2 and 3, 2, and that's why the name of that particular compound, that is nothing but 2. The group attached, that is nothing but the bromo, and the parent alkane, that is nothing but the 3 carbon, therefore it is a propane. Propane, the name of compound 2-bromopropane. What's about this? The straight chain, that is nothing but straight chain CH2CCH3. That means 1, 2 and 3. Parent alkane, that is nothing but propane. At the second position, there are 2 methyl already present, and that's why the name of this compound, that is nothing but 2,2-dimethyl bromopropane. That is nothing but the name of a compound, that is nothing but 2,2-dimethyl. 2,2-dimethyl. Why? Because the methyl group which is attached to that particular carbon atom, which is second, and that's why it is a 2,2-dimethyl. The resulting compound obtained, that is nothing but the bromopropane. That is nothing but the name. What's about this? If you take under consideration, numbering should start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, because List-Locant rule. According to the List-Locant rule, the summation 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. If you take under consideration 1, 2, 3, that means 2 plus 3, it becomes 5, and that's why the first rule, which is correct one. 1, 2. The numbering should start from 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, the name of this compound, that is nothing but 1, 2, di.